Hello friends, welcome back to tutscorner.com videos. Today let's see Oats Banana Smoothie for weight loss. This creamy and filling smoothie is perfect for a morning boost, keeping you full longer while supporting weight loss with fiber and protein. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana provides natural sweetness, potassium and fiber to help control appetite. 1/4 cup rolled oats, a great source of fiber that keeps you full and helps regulate blood sugar. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk, low-calorie milk alternative with added nutrients. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, boosts metabolism and adds flavor. Ice cubes, optional, adds texture and makes the smoothie cool and refreshing. Instructions: prepare ingredients. Peel and slice the banana. Blend. Add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Serve. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.